Mechatronics specialists are needed in a variety of industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, utilities, and more. In TSTC's Mechatronics Technology program, located at our Harlingen campus, we combine basic skills in automation, computer control systems, electronics, and instrumentation, all in one to make graduates extremely valuable. You will gain hands-on training in DC and AC circuits, hydraulic systems, and even how to control and program logic controllers. With these skills, you will be able to analyze and troubleshoot all types of machinery. Our graduates have gone on to work as technicians for top companies such as Encore, Toyota, and Schlumberger. Texas will need more than 5,400 mechatronic technicians and engineers in the years ahead, the second highest number in the nation. Plus, the median salary for such engineers is over $67,000. If you're a problem solver looking for an in-demand career with great potential, then Mechatronics is waiting for you.